Hi everyone. Today's edition, I'll be taking today's edition. I'll be taking you something briefly on Squarespace. Now, there's one thing some of your buyers will really want on your website, especially people who offer hairdressing, photography, and others related services like that they have a website. And now, what is this? This is a website I built for one of my clients. Now, look at this. View our Instagram feed, and I click on this. This Instagram post, I can scroll to Chelsea. Instead of me just going to their Instagram page, now start checking, I can check their image, their post right from the website. How do I do this? I will be replicating this section. Now, for everyone watching, do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you can always get our new video. And comment on this video, like. If you have any question, you can ask, or if you need a video you need to work on, I can create a video for it. I'm at your service. Now, how do you do this? How will you be able to do this? So when you post on Instagram, the post will automatically show on your website. If you look at this page now, you see Instagram. Now it's a very, very simple trick. Now just click on add section. Now you can click on blank section. Now you have the blank section now. The first thing to do is to add a block, text, drag it to the center. Now what do you feel like putting at the title? Maybe sorry, what do you want to put? Now let's say view our Instagram post from our website. You can make the title anything. Like the title I use from a buyer here, view our Instagram feed. View our Instagram post from our website. This is just a how to. Now you align it to the center. Now you change the paragraph to maybe A4. You can change the color to gold so it look more beautiful and white. And put this in. No need for that. No, another one is there. Now it's very important to set their land very well to do the styling. If you're having issue doing styling on Squarespace, you can comment. I will make a video on that. Any issue you are facing on Squarespace, just drop a comment and I will surely work on it. Now, what's not the next thing to do? I'm trying to set the section to be more bigger. It needs to be more. I'm trying to increase the height. Yeah. Now, I add block again and you scroll down Instagram here. Now, you just have to move the setting from where the account. I connected the account. Now, I'll briefly be showing you how to connect the account. Now, items 10. Now, you can set it to anything grid, carousel, slideshow, stacked. Now, aspect ratio 1 1 square. So everything will be very, very okay. Now light bulb means when you click it, it's pop up to preview. That's the meaning of light bulbs. And the light bulbs thing either dark or light overlay. Dark overlay means when the image pop up, the background will be dark. And if you choose light overlay, when you pop up, the background will be white. And let me just put dark overlay here. Open link in new window. You can set it if you need it. If you need them to visit your Instagram page, you can just so when they click on it, it will just take them to the Instagram page. Now, how many sorry now doing this everything is set, but you can change it to more than 20 maybe let's say 40. Now choose thumbnail by Paro. Then you can just change it. I think I have a mistake there. Then the padding will be 6 and the thumbnail per row will be 4. Now how many items here? You can make it 20 plus the maximum is 20. Now there are a lot of images here. As you can see, there are now a lot of images. Right from the Instagram account, you can style it so the images will cover the entire section. Look at it now. You style it in a way that it match your buyer request. And I think this is how to add it. Now, how do you connect to Instagram? I'm not saving this. So now I want to describe. So I believe you know how to do it. If you need more question, you can ask me. Now, how do you connect your Instagram account to your website? Just go to setting. Now you see connected account here. Don't go to social link. It's two different things. You go to connected account. Now you click on connected account, the account is connected already. Now just click on connect account using Instagram. When you click on it, it will direct you to where you log in your Instagram on your Squarespace. No worry, your Instagram account is safe. Your Instagram account is safe. Now and this is that about that. If you have any question, drop your question, I'll treat it. Thanks for today.